How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Bitcoin update. And we had some incredibly bullish news yesterday. For the very first time, at least to my knowledge, Jerome Powell being bullish on crypto. Very boring to watch through that FOMC meeting. But the very last question was about crypto. And he said that banks can now hold crypto on behalf of customers. So now they are going to be offering crypto services, or allowed to do that now, instead of vilifying people that want to be involved in crypto, thanks to this new pro-crypto government. Thank you, Donald Trump. If you're in crypto, you have to like him. It's just as simple as that. Otherwise, you want the market to come down. But bullish news. This is strong enough to make a new all-time high. We just need to see if Bitcoin will take this opportunity. But definitely never seen him bullish like that before. So this is strong enough news to make a new all-time high. I unfortunately, as I mentioned in my update yesterday, have to remain bearish, at least in the immediate short term, because we're going to get tested soon. We're going to get tested at these levels, the two red boxes, 104.8, 105.1, 106.8, 108K. And so on the break of these, no longer bearish. And this is just a short-term bias. I believe that as long as this continues to be resistance, even with that bullish news, which is strong enough to make a new all-time high, I have to be cautious, because I can see on the chart, the Fibonacci's are telling me here are the most key levels of resistances going forward, potential rejection areas. So if I were to see Bitcoin failing to push through, then we're going to see a larger correction across the market. If Bitcoin then loses 100K, I'm expecting the range lows to be tested. This is around the price of 91 to 93,000 US dollars. And in all honesty, guys, when I look at to the left, the structure is giving me clues. I'm seeing multiple bounces from this area. So what that then means is, because these are being propped up by leverage, all of the liquidations are set beneath the wicks. So there are a lot of liquidation set down over here. And we know the market moves by grabbing liquidity. So the market makers, even with all this bullish news, can still send Bitcoin down into the range low and sweep the low before continuation high. It would not play out how I just drew it. But yeah, a sweep of that is definitely a possibility, even with all this bullish news. You know, fundamentally great yesterday, but overall, this is the most bullish the market has been in terms of fundamentals, thanks to the pro-crypto government. So the conditions couldn't be better, but when you look at altcoins as a whole, they haven't been performing. It's been a select few, and I mentioned them in yesterday's update. I was also suggesting that there's just too many cryptos out there for all of them to continue to new highs. So some of those coins that topped out in March last year, they might not return. Some will. I've already mentioned, I think US-based coins are perfectly fine. Bitcoin, ETH as well, should actually get going. So ETH beta plays. There could be ETH memes like Pepe, for example. You've got the DEXs as well. DEXs take advantage of these smart contract coins, and smart contract coins should do well if Bitcoin is. So there are a lot of coins that take advantage of Bitcoin going up, and very reactive to Bitcoin moves. But there are also many coins in the market that have just been underperforming since summer. And I made you aware of all of the coins that have done well and done bad since summer. So pointed in the direction where you should be looking at. If you want further help with that, more specifically, then use the links in the description of this video, pinned comment section, to head over into the Discord community. You will also find that I do live streams in there weekly to teach you guys how to read the charts and use the fibs just like I do. So you're aware of the market, the direction the market is going, whether it's bearish or bullish. So over here, we know we're bearish underneath this, even with all the bullish news. I will flip my stance and believe all of these targets will get met on the break of 108K. So these are just the parameters that the Fibonacci is setting me. And then we actually have further targets at the upside, up as high as 128,000. So all I want to see Bitcoin doing going forward with this fundamental bullish news is a further break of 105, 106 and 108K. Until that very moment, there is the risk of the rollover. I can't see 100k lost, otherwise it initiates a move down to here. Even if we bounce, it could be a lower high and we sweep the lows before eventually reclaiming it and getting that continuation higher. I personally want the bullish case. I'm just making you aware that can happen. It's a possibility. The probabilities are there while we are under the key Fibonacci resistances. All we need to see is a break of that red box and we're good. Simple as that. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you for giving me your time. Please support the algorithm, the channel, like, subscribe, comment so we can hit 10k. If you want to get educated or you want daily TA on any coins, I'm in my Discord in there 24/7. You also get live streams where I mentor you. So yeah, check out the links down below. I'll catch you over there in my community. Cheers, everyone.